Hi guys, it's Vonshae, and welcome to the Six Figure Challenge. What is six figures? Six figures is when you earn $100,000 to $999,999 per year. So anything from that range is considered six figures. Let's start with who am I? My name is Vonshae, and I've been a full-time online marketer since 2007. I specialize in lead generation and referrals. In other words, I get paid to promote other people's products. That's what you call affiliate marketing. Let's talk about the six-figure challenge. In order to make any adequate amount of income, you're going to need three things. Number one, you need an offer. Your offer is your products or services that you're going to promote. Number two, you need a system. Your system is your lead capture page, your funnel, and your autoresponder that makes your website function while you're asleep, while you're away from home, while you're on a cruise. Your system is very valuable, and the way you have it set up is very important. Number three, you need traffic. You can have free traffic or you can have paid traffic. If you want to do free traffic, then the top three platforms are Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. If you want to do paid traffic, you're going to pay to run ads on Google, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Craigslist. Those are your paid traffic sources. So you can do it the free way or you can do it the paid way. Let's break down how to achieve six figures with your business. There's something called a vehicle. A vehicle is what you will use to get you from point A to point B. You can use a car to get you from point A to point B. You can use a train. You can even use a private jet. But what you want to do is be able to get from point A to point B the fastest. This is how you select your product or your service. You want to sit down and say, how many items do I have to sell at what price to get me $100,000 per year? So if you have a $100 product, then you would need 1,000 sales every single year to reach $100,000, which means you're going to have to sell 2 to 3 products per day because there's 365 days in a year to reach your goal of $100,000 a year. If your product is $50 or your service is $50, you're going to have to sell 2,000 products, or you're going to have to provide services for 2,000 people. Because there are 365 days in a year, you will have to be providing services for 5 to 6 people per day to reach $100,000 a year. If your product is $20 per unit, guess what? You're going to have to make 5,000 sales for the whole year, which means you're going to have to reach 13 to 14 people who are buying your product every single day. You have to think about these things before you create a plan so that you can know what you're shooting for to reach your goal. Your vehicle could be a physical product, a service, a program, a software, or a system. These are things you need to think about when planning your goals. After you decide which product you want to use as your main focal point, then you're going to create your system that's going to operate while you're sleeping. So you're going to develop your website, your funnel, your auto capture page, and your autoresponder, and the videos are going to show you how to do all of that so that you can drive traffic to your funnel and your funnel can do the rest. You have to set it up first. Yes, it's going to be a learning curve. You have to learn how to set up your software. You have to learn how to design your pages, but all of the training is in the back office. If you don't have a product or service to promote, or you just simply need a vehicle that's going to get you to your six-figure goal a lot faster, then let me tell you why I chose Builderall as my product. Builderall is an all-inclusive platform for business professionals. Whenever you have a business online, you're going to need certain tools to run your business. You're going to need hosting. You're going to need your web designer, your blog creator, your landing page creator, your auto posting tools. You're going to need those tools to run your business, and Builderall has all of those tools under one roof. When I first started online, I had to get my hosting from here. I had to get my autoresponder from over here. I had to get my landing page creator from here. Those fees add up. You could be paying $12 a month for hosting, $15 a month for autoresponder, $97 a month for your funnel creator, $67 a month for your landing page creator. With your auto posting software, you could be paying another $30 a month. Those fees add up. So with Builderall, having all of the tools in one platform and paying you a commission every time you sell an account, this is why I chose to stick with this platform. This is how it works. When someone joins Builderall under your link, then when they sign up for a package and they begin to pay, the first month they pay, you earn 100%. The second month from there forward, then you earn 30% residual commissions. As long as people are serious about their business, they know they need these tools to run their business, they're going to stay on board. So basically, you're going to be earning about $15 per month for each person that joins through your link. The second thing is, if even half of the people that you sign up actually want to promote Builderall as well, and they bring in people, you earn 30% commission of every person they bring in, as long as they stay a member. The first month you don't earn anything because that person is earning 100%. But every month after that, you're going to earn 30% commission. How great is that? This is the best compensation plan that I've seen since I've been on the internet. And this is why I chose to promote Builderall. First of all, I need the tools. I need hosting to run my business. I need my autoresponder. I need all of these things I need to run my business. I wouldn't have a business online if I didn't have these tools. So for them to offer it all in one place and us be able to pay just one fee every single month, that is a win-win situation. Also, the difference between active income and passive income is with active income, let's say I promote my services as a braider, a stylist. You can only provide so many services in a day. I'm going to work and 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 work. And I'm going to have to do all of this work all over again every single year forever because I'm not building. I'm only providing services. But when you get into passive income is you do the work once and you get paid over and over. Sort of like a gym membership. They sign you up once, but you pay residually every single month until you cancel your gym membership. People get paid. Well, that's with software, with hosting. They sign you up once with hosting, but you pay every single month until you don't want your business anymore. This is how lucrative it is to promote the right things online. You want to promote something that's going to give you passive income. Do the work once, and then you'll get paid residually, because as long as people know this is important, this is the thing that I need to run my business online, then you're going to make money. They're going to be helped because they're going to be able to use the products, and you're going to make money by helping them find the products at a reasonable price. Because if they went and got all of these tools without your assistance, they would pay $15 a month for the autoresponder. They would pay $12 a month for the hosting. They would pay $97 a month for the funnel creator. They would pay $67 a month for the lead capture forms. They would be paying all of these fees, and you're going to help them find one platform for one fee that's saving them money, helping them build their business, and you're making money at the same time. It's a win-win-win. This is why I chose to promote Builderall. If you're interested in promoting Builderall too, sign up below so that you can get started today and start learning your products. You have to learn what's in the back office. Take time every single day to go in the back, take the training tutorials, and educate yourself on the system so that you can know how to present your system to other people. You're going to target business owners, professionals, anybody who needs a website. If you see someone with the website and they don't have their tool set up correctly, you're going to be able to educate them and teach them why they need your system. This is how you make money. You help people to understand why they need it, and then when they sign up, you get paid. So if you're ready to join our 6-figure challenge, click the link below and start your free trial. No credit card is necessary. Change your thinking, change your life. Join our 6-figure challenge today. Have a great one.